Conflict often sparks innovation, and Ukraine exemplifies this by continually advancing its drone technology. Their fixed-wing bomber drones, with extended range and greater payload capacity, can cover larger areas. Flying over expansive territories, these drones drop high-explosive dual-purpose grenades, causing damage to numerous low-value targets in substantial quantities. Unlike traditional methods, their payload doesn't require reloading after each strike, allowing for more prolonged and efficient operations. This increased payload capacity, coupled with an efficient dropping mechanism, introduces a new tactic known as carpet bombing. This is demonstrated as approximately around 15 grenades are dropped in rapid succession after each other, letting a bigger area be effective in the bombing campaign.